At the state level, we have been very much concerned about the quality of education. According to the recent survey, Goa stands 21st among all the states of India in the quality of education. So it is a very much concerned that the quality of education in Goa is going down and down. One of the major cause which we feel the quality of education going down is the quality of teachers, or we feel that the lot of educational teachers posts are not filled in the state level.
Sayyid Azharuddin, General Secretary, Student Islamic Organization of India. We are releasing a student manifesto across the nation after consulting all the student leaders, educational activists, and other student activists. After consulting with them, we came with a student manifesto for the upcoming parliamentary election 2019. It has three different heads: education, youth, and human rights. Especially in education, we demand the complete implementation of Right to Education Act. That is our main demand. Similarly, we demand to increase the GDP on education. That now presently it is 2.7. We demand to implement 6 to 7% of GDP to be used in education field. Similarly, in terms of youth unemployment, there is highest rate after 45 years that unemployment rate is being increased. So we demand the government and political parties to include these demands in their manifestos, that entrepreneurship to be promoted. It should be aware among the student communities, especially youths, those who are after education, they are feeling insecure and unsafe with respect to the employment. Similarly, we demand the government that innocent youth arrests are being arrested with false cases, and after 10 to 15 years, they are going to be released without any with a clean sheet, and there is no rehabilitation for them. There is no proper compensation for them after they have lost the entire youthhood in the jails. Similarly, with respect to the human rights, there are mob lynchings have been done in most of the North Indian states. It should be it should be completely monitored, and the victim should be given justice. We demand for that high strict law should be implemented so that all the people may feel in India as their concerned citizens of India.